What's up guys? Allow me to share with you another e-learning series. But at this moment, gusto kong i-share sa inyo yung isa sa mga natutunan ko as I browse on the internet. So, isa sa mga na-discover ko ay ang e-learning ni TESDA. So, all we have to do is to type e-tesda.gov.ph. And we must need first to register or make an account first. Okay. Create an account. And you must first agree to the TESDA online program, the privacy notice. And type the necessary information needed dito sa kanilang forms. E-forms. Yan. But at my case, nakagawa na ako ng account ko, kaya ang gagawin ko na lang is to log in. Log in on my account. Mali pa yung password ko. Just wait for a while guys. Mali ulit. Okay, we are here. Makikita natin dito yung mga courses available. Like at this one, you must pick a courses that suit to your interest, syempre. So, bilang agriculturist, I am interested with agriculture. Okay? And what my interested about with is the agricultural crops production NC2. Then, mapupunta tayo dito. Ito yung mga available competencies na naandito sa kanilang platform. Yan. Meron silang planting crops, caring and maintaining crops, and performing harvest and post-harvest operations. All you have to do is to enroll with the competencies. Enroll me, then makikita natin dito yung kanilang sequence. Mayroon silang video na kailangan mong panoorin. Then, meron din silang announcement, pre-test, glossary, another video na kailangan panoorin, and also the different lessons na makikita natin dito. Meron silang unit test and post-test. And once you pass the different activities, unit tests, and the post-test, you may get your certificate of completion. But at my case, nakapasa na ako dun sa mga competencies like at this one, sa Introduction to Agricultural Crops Production, naipasa ko na siya. So, naka-notify dyan sa pre-test na I am done with the pre-test. I received a grade already. Nasundan ko lahat ng mga lessons. Napasa ko lahat ng mga unit tests. And after that, napasa ko din yung post-test. And the last part is, I gonna earn my award, my certificate of completion. So, this is the sample of certificate of completion na binibigay ni-testa online. So, yan. And dito, meron tayong frequently asked questions. And one of the questions na nakalagay dito is, do we get a certificate of training after completing the online course? Ang sagot ng TESDA is, we have developed the online course to be accessible to as many Filipinos as possible. You will get a certificate of completion once you finish the course, and if you think you are ready, then you may take the face-to-face assessment for national certification at any TESDA accredited assessment center or venue. So, yan. Ito yung inaano sa atin. Pag nakompleto na natin lahat ng mga certificate of completion in all competencies needed in the specific national certificate, so pwede na tayong magpa face-to-face assessment. Ano po? So, I hope you learned something in this video. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.